What's up, guys? I'm back with Shayla. I took a month break, Shayla. I don't know if you know that. Yeah. It was a month that I didn't upload, and I still have a video from the beach, and I think I have two from before that I just never edited. But now we're making another one. What movie are we gonna go watch?
Trap.
Trap. We're gonna go watch Trap. Do you think it's gonna be good?
Mm-hmm.
I think it is.
Yeah.
I got really close to this car. Dude, dang. He's going in into the forest, bro.
I like that Honda. I like the new Hondas. I know you said you don't.
I didn't say I don't. I like the new Civics. I don't really like the new Accords, which sucks because I used to love Accords.
That's what I mean. I like the Accords. And you said you don't like them, but I think they're really cool, actually.
Why did this Tesla just go to the right? Oh, to pass this guy. I would have just waited.
Wait, I'm gonna open this so I can report things.
Okay. I don't know.
Lost control.
No. I went on the yellow line a little and it did the thing where it tries to fix it.
Oh.
There's kind of a lot of traffic. Well, we kind of went out later than we usually go out at this time, don't we?
Yeah, and there's always traffic at this time.
Not this much, not here. Right? No, maybe I'm wrong. Are Lincolns nice cars? Because they look like nice cars. They look like old people cars, but they look like nice old people cars.
But remember last night that Infinity car that like checks your body temperature?
Oh, yeah.
And like it puts the air on based off of it? That's really cool.
I can't wait until it's winter. I used to deliver to those places a lot, and it gets scary, dude. They have like no street lights, or
really?
Maybe they do now. They like had street lights, but they were broken. The whole time I worked at Papa John's, they were always broken, and people there ordered a lot. I guess because it's close, you know.
Yeah.
And dude, it was always pitch black there. It was always so scary. Dude, this truck is cool.
Dude,
I like the color of it.
You wanted me to drive this. Is that cone in the road?
I think it's like a shirt. Yeah, it looked like a hoodie. Yeah, guys, Shayla didn't want to drive to West Town.
I'm so scared. I'm so scared. That was really scary.
Oh, guys, I got a steering wheel for my PC, and I've been playing Assetto Corsa a lot. Not like the cut-up stuff. That's what my brother plays, but I play the actual like races on the tracks. I'm gonna get the thing to play with Brandon, like the thing he plays, but right now I'm just doing track races because that's kind of what I bought the wheel for. See, I feel like there's never this much traffic. What does that sign mean? Is there a crash up there?
What sign? I didn't see it. That means there's a car on the side of the road.
Oh.
And it's gonna ask us if it's still there, and I'm gonna say if it's there.
Wait, guys, I think this blue car is kind of almost like Shayla's. Is it a Fiesta or is that a Focus?
I think that's a Focus.
Oh. Shayla has a Fiesta. Yeah. No, it's a Focus.
Oh my god, I'm so scared. Dude, he has no door.
He's enjoying the breeze. Alright, I'm gonna get in front of this car now.
That looks like Ivan's blue car. But his was a two-door, right?
Yeah. No, that looks different than his.
It's awesome. I don't think he's there.
Yeah, I don't think so. It doesn't look like it. Oh, he is. Did their car die?
Dude, their car broke down. That's what happened to me. But I had to get into it.
Wait, so where should I go to first? The mall or should we go to other places first? Like, do you want to eat first or should we go do other stuff first?
Are we getting Taco Bell? I thought that's what you wanted.
I thought that's what you wanted.
See, it tells you what lane to be in. See, I could drive if I
Maps
want.
does that too.
No, it doesn't.
Yes.
No.
Mine does.
Mine doesn't.
Maybe because I have CarPlay. No, on the phone it does it too. I used to use maps when I delivered pizza sometimes.
See, I could drive if it told me what lane to get in.
Just that. I was probably AT&T again.
I would still be so scared.
I get a lot of messages from AT&T. Like all the promotional things.
Really? Did you not turn that off?
I don't know how.
Though there's a lot of traffic here.
I told you.
See, this is where I would crash at. Unless someone was nice to let me in.
Wait, so are we going to the mall first?
To Taco Bell. And you can't cross over till there's not a solid way there.
I don't need to cross over. Okay, I'm going back over. Should I just take that road where it's the lonely road? Shayla?
Yeah.
Should we start calling it that? The lonely road? The lonely road is on this road, right? I think, this lane.
I don't really know what the lonely road is.
The one lane road that takes you up there.
Oh, the passing one? To pass? Yeah, take it.
I know, but is it in this lane? No, it's in that lane. Oops.
See, this is where I accidentally got on the interstate out, and then I just stayed in this lane the whole time and took that exit.
Yeah.
And then it took me to work from there.
Shayla doesn't know how to drive.
Sometimes I do. Like, I think his car broke. Does your YouTube channel know that I broke down?
I don't know. Shayla's car broke down once. What happened? What belt broke?
The serpentine belt.
Oh, yeah. And I had to ask if I could leave work to go pick her up.
Because I was on my way to work, and then I felt like I ran over something, because I heard it sounded like I ran over something, you know, like something hit the bottom of my car.
Yeah. Uh-oh.
Oh my god.
I'll go in front of this guy.
I was like, oh, it's fine, and I just kept driving, and then out of nowhere my car starts like braking, but I wasn't braking, and then I was pressing the gas, and the gas pedal was doing nothing, and then I pulled off on the road. And then it said on the thing, it had like the temperature thing.
Oh,
and
yeah.
then my heat was like maxed out. And then Adam came and got me, and then I took my car to work, and then my dad came and fixed it at work.
Yep.
Because he's so nice. And you know, Chris also got off work early to do that.
Yeah.
And you know, I still haven't paid them back for the belt.
Bruh.
So I got the belt for free, because I think they forgot about it. My mom mentioned it like a month later, and then I was like, oh yeah, I'll pay you when I get paid, and then I never did again.
Dude, we haven't been to West Town in a while.
I know.
Because I'm always at your house, and then we went to the beach. The beach was really fun.
Yeah,
That was actually like the most fun I've ever had.
me too. The only part that
Goodness, bro. I wish I didn't live so far from everything. Actually, I don't. You do.
No, I don't. I have everything I need at my house.
Yeah, Walmart.
I have Walmart and Ross and Bell's and Big Lots and Five Below and Sally's.
Where you live is also cool though, because you're like in the middle of nowhere also though. Isn't that kind of cool?
I'm in the middle of nowhere, but I still have things to do there, and I also still have Walmart, and that's all I need. Like the only reason I would need to come to Knoxville is for the mall.
Yeah. Dude, I hate those Teslas, man. God,
just
get them
bought
off the road,
Is
bro.
he going to the Tesla store?
Yeah, I hope he's going to put it back.
That was a good one. You know, I saw someone with the same license plate as. What?
Some Teslas are cool. We should drive by the Tesla dealership real
We should
quick.
ask to test drive one. Do you think they're good?
Dude, the last time me and Shayla were here, we were looking in a Tesla at the Tesla
yeah.
dealership because we thought it was one of the.
It was a really cool Tesla. Like,
Yeah, we thought it was one of the ones for sale because we were looking at the Cybertrucks too, and because the Tesla dealership is right connected to the mall. I would never probably go to the dealership just to go look, not a Tesla one, but we were like peeking in this guy's car. Well, we didn't know it was his car. We thought it was for sale, and then Shayla was like, "I think that's somebody's car."
No, because I was like, oh, this car's actually nice. And then I was like, let me look inside. So and it was tinted really dark too.
Yeah.
So I put my like hands like this where I could see in, and then.
Bro, that's his fault, bro. Why park in between
Yeah,
all the for sale
literally.
cars?
And then I looked inside and it was trashed. Like there was bottles like everywhere, and like it was like a garbage can literally.
Goodness.
And then I was like, dude, that's someone's car. And then I looked at the back of it, and they had a license plate too.
Yeah, that was kind of our fault as well, I guess. Maybe we should have checked. But at the same time, bro, what can you expect when you're parked next to all the for sale
He was
cars?
parked right next to the Cybertrucks, and all the Cybertrucks were for sale.
I know.
So I was like, oh, nice, this car's for sale. I'm gonna look at it because it's nice.
Exactly. Oh, Shayla almost got a BMW.
Yeah, because my car is a junker car.
It was a 2019 430. Next year, though, right?
Mm-hmm.
Next year we can both get new BMWs.
Dude, just give me this one when you get a new one.
If you buy it, if you pay off whatever's left on it. Dude, I would give you this. You could take over the loan. See, like, that Tesla's cool.
I didn't see it, but I like the ones that like aren't round, like they're more like.
This looks almost like your car, almost.
That's a Focus.
Yeah.
Wait, why are we parking all over here?
No, I'm just looking real quick. Where are the cool ones at? There's this.
Okay.
The Cybertrucks are humongous,
Yeah, I
bro.
know. I think that one's cool.
The red one?
No, the blue one. The red
It's
one's
okay.
cool too.
I think the red one's cooler.
Yeah. Look at that gray one right there. Dude, I'm gonna really
I like this white one.
I'm really gonna be like, hey, can I test drive your car?
Nah.
Dude, imagine working at a Tesla dealership. That's kind of cool.
Dude, this black one is really low to the ground, I feel like. Oh, it's busted.
I think that's the one we looked in, maybe.
No way.
Maybe.
We would not have looked at it if it was that busted.
Well, we didn't.
That one has the lights on for some reason. It's gonna die.
No,
I
that
really
one's
like this
nice.
red one,
Look at
actually.
that gray one.
Oh, yeah. That reminds me of an Aston Martin. I really like the red one. Some of them are blinking lights. I don't know why.
Maybe someone like went and like
What if they're updating? Maybe when they're updating, they do that.
See,
'Cause
that's
don't those
crazy.
update a
Yeah,
lot?
that's crazy that they have to update.
I think this car only updates
No,
once a year.
I saw a video
Or something like
where
that.
like they were driving and it just started updating while they
Oh,
were
I've
driving.
seen those videos where they get stuck.
Yeah. I feel like you should choose when you want it to update.
Yeah.
Like it should just tell you like update.
Sharpest turn ever, bro.
Kind of like your phone. You know how your phone tells you like it's gonna install tonight? It should be
Yeah.
like that.
I agree. Maybe it is. Maybe we don't know what we're talking about. I don't have a Tesla.
I know, but why would they post what they're driving while it's updating?
Yeah, you're right.
Unless
Should I
they-
park over there or up here?
It's up to you.
I'm gonna park over here.
No, park close.
Okay, I'll park over there.
Okay.
Alright guys, I'm gonna end the video here because every time I say I'm gonna record later, I forget. So maybe I'll make a second video, but I'm gonna end this one here.